Hello friends, it's Brandy and I am going to be unboxing the Magical Earth box for December. So basically the Capricorn, sign of Capricorn. You may notice I sound different and that's because I'm sick. So this is going to be short, sweet, and to the point. And I hope you won't hold it against me. Anyway, this month it feels a little different. Ooh. There's two parts. Lord, as weak as a kitten. The box that we're used to. Oh, there's the little jaguar thing. And then here is some sort of present. Let's see what we got. Oh. Ooh. Selenite. I love selenite. Oh my, it's lovely. Lovely, lovely. It's got a covering on it. Oh, there it goes. Beautiful. Selenite. Big. All the stones in this box are always huge. And this is a citrine. I'm going to say that if you collect crystals, this is probably one of the best boxes that you could buy just because they are massive. Oh my god. It's beautiful. Oh my god, it's really, really beautiful. Look at that. Oh my gosh. This is absolutely magnificent. This is a beautiful citrine. And who doesn't need a citrine with the new year coming and all those resolutions we gotta make and hopefully keep. I'm weak as a kitten. Hold on. Oh. Sorry guys. Lord have mercy. Oh, you know why? Because I'm trying to open it upside down. Always try to work smarter, not harder, guys. December 1st through January, or December 21st, so solstice to January 20th. My card this month. What is it? The Prince of Swords or the Knight of Swords would be my guess. Yep, Knight of Swords. Have to look into that. I'll read that in a little bit. Y'all know what's in here. It's my my monthly horoscope, but this thing is sticky. Sticky. Oh, this one's not too bad. Hey. And of course there's lots of papers in here. So, information about your astrology report. This is my information for Leo, because I'm a Leo. More information about my report. And my hair towel just came off. And then of course Capricorn. There's information for all the days of the month. So this box is a little different than other boxes, not just because of the huge stones, the focus of astrology, but also because instead of running month to month, they run from sign to sign. So you should get your box always before the week or so before the signs change. Oh, I love it. I love it, 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 I love it. It's beautiful. Oh, beautiful. I'm in love. This is probably my favorite box that I've gotten by them so far. It's just like over the top nice. Oh, we got some pine cones and some deliciousness in here for a sachet. And a wish bottle. Oh. Filled with green calcite. Isn't that lovely? And then a cedar smudge. Awesome. So let me just quickly read this to you guys. With all that's happening astrologically, the intent of this month's box is to provide you with provisions for the holiday season and the new year, so you can go into the season with a refreshed sense of positivity and the tools to help you not only survive the season, but look at it with much different view. So the citrine Oh man, beautiful. It offers self-discipline, guys. Get yourself a citrine. Selenite, positivity and purity. Cedar smudge, clear it of negative energies, your home. Wooden crystal box. It's solid with brass inlays. Solid wooden bows with brass inlays. A wish bottle filled with green calcite. Winter aromatherapy blend. Rose hips, eucalyptus, pine, dried flowers, pine cones, sweet gumballs, pods, dried oranges, acorns, spiceberry, star anise, putka pods, apple slices, cedar tips, cinnamon, rosemary, and juniper. Let me tell you, this smells like heaven. And then, of course, your monthly horoscope and your tarot card. Check this out. And then here's the back. So this is the Magickal Earth box, and I really like it. I'm probably gonna stick with this box for the upcoming year. I would say the high point is I love the personalized astrology, and I love the stones. The stones are enormous. Go back through previous boxes. I have 2 other previous boxes, and you'll see that the stones are usually fit in your hand. They're large. So definitely enjoy this box if you are lucky enough to get it. She's usually pretty great about, if you at the last minute decide that you want it, trying to get it together for you. I'll leave the information in the bottom, and as always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope you guys will check me out again soon. Bye.